Hi everyone. This video is about the process of making retainer cleaning tablets. I have been using Invisalign retainers for the past year, and I decided to make my own cleaning tablets for my retainers. You have the written formula with all the information in the written post. The link is in the description. I used a big and wide container to make the retainer cleaning tablets. I started by adding the baking soda. For the amount I'm making today, which is about 20 tablets, I used 48 grams of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer. It helps to neutralize and remove unpleasant odors from the retainer. I added citric acid, 30 grams of citric acid. When baking soda and citric acid are mixed and then come into contact with water, they react to create a fizzing action. This fizzing helps to dislodge and break down debris, plaque, and bacteria from the surfaces of the retainer. Now I added the SCS powder. SCS sodium cocoa sulfate is a surfactant known for its ability to clean grease and has stronger cleansing abilities than SCI. I used 11 grams of SCS. Next, I added crystal soda, which is sodium carbonate. Crystal soda, also known as washing soda or soda ash, is more alkaline than baking soda. Sodium carbonate is a potent cleansing agent, effectively dissolving and removing food residues from retainer surfaces. I added 10 grams of the crystal soda. Lastly, I added 1 gram of grapefruit essential oil. I mixed all the ingredients. Then, with a spray bottle filled with distilled water, I add a very small amount of distilled water until I reach a sandy texture, which allows me to form the tablets. I used gloves before I started forming the tablets. I spray some more distilled water to moisten the powders until I can take some powders and stick them together. Once the texture is moist enough, you can start making the tablets. You need to press the powders and tighten them into the mold. Make sure they are pressed hard so they will come out in one piece when you are unmolding them. There will be some mess while making the tablets. Try to drag as much of the mixture that spreads around into the mold, so you will use up as much as possible. Pressing the mixture into the mold is important. You need to make sure the mixture is sticking together. Now I want to show you another way you can form the tablets using a measuring spoon. I used a small measuring spoon of 5 milliliters. Fill the spoon with the mixture and press hard to ensure the mixture is stuck together. Then flip the spoon and tap it gently on the surface to release the tablet. I prefer the method of the measuring spoon. It is easier to press the mixture into the spoon than into a silicone mold. You can also use small ice cube trays to form the tablets. Don't worry if you see all this mixture spread on my counter. My counter was clean and sanitized before I started, so I collected and used all the mixture. You want to leave the tablets in the mold for an hour or more so they can dry a little and will come out easily from the mold. Once the tablets are out of the mold, they will need time to dry a little more. Let some of the water evaporate and the tablets harden. You can leave them on a tray for several hours before storing them. I store my tablets in a glass jar that is wide enough, so I can easily take a tablet from the jar whenever I want to use one. You have all the information and the formula in the written post. These are the store-bought tablets I used to buy before making my own. They are thin and have a blue color. I didn't color the tablets that I made. I used the store-bought tablets and my own tablets to compare the fizzing and cleaning abilities. Both have good fizzing action. The store-bought ones dissolve slower than the ones I made. I place my Invisalign retainers into both glasses to check if they will give different results. The instructions on the box of the store-bought ones are to leave the retainers for 3 to 5 minutes, then clean them with a brush and rinse them with water. After being in the water for 3 minutes, both tablets were still fizzing. This is the result after I cleaned the retainers with a brush and washed them with water. Both look clean and have good scent. The formula I share for the retainers tablets is for the specific use of cleaning the retainers. The tablets are not suitable for consumption. Let me know if you make these and if you find them useful.